In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use embed blocks on Squarespace so you can add external content, videos, forms, calendars, maps, or custom code to your site in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful feature if you want to make your Squarespace page more interactive without needing to build everything from scratch. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to the page where you want to place the embedded content. This could be your home page, a sales page, a contact page, or any other page where you want to display something from another platform. Once you're on the right page, click the Edit button in the top left corner of the window. This opens the Squarespace editor so you can start adding blocks to your page. Now look at the section grid where you want the content to appear. In the top left corner of that section, click Add Block. This opens the block selection menu, which gives you a list of all the different content blocks you can place on your page. From that menu, select Embed. This creates a new embed block in the section, ready for you to customize. Once the embed block has been added, click on it to select it. Then click the pencil icon, also known as Edit, on the floating toolbar. This opens the Embed Settings panel where you can choose how to add your content. Squarespace gives you two main options here, and the method you use depends on what kind of content you're embedding. The first option is to paste a web link. If the third-party service gives you a standard browser URL, copy that link exactly as it appears. Then paste it directly into the URL text field inside the embed block settings. This is the easiest method when Squarespace can automatically pull in the content from the link. The second option is to use an embed code snippet. If your provider gives you HTML code, an iframe, or a script snippet, click the Code Snippet tab inside the Embed Block panel. You may also see a 9/ icon next to the URL bar, which takes you to the same area. From there, click Embed Data. Then paste the iframe or HTML script code provided by your third-party service into the text window. This method is useful for services that require custom embed code instead of a simple URL. After you've pasted the link or code, click back and close the panel. Take a moment to check that the embedded content appears correctly inside the block area. If anything looks off, you can always reopen the block and adjust the link or code snippet. When everything looks good, the final step is to publish your changes. In the top left corner of your main screen, click Exit, then click Save. This will apply your changes and publish the page so visitors can see the embedded content live on your Squarespace site. And that's it, you now know how to use embed blocks on Squarespace. Whether you're embedding a video, form, calendar, or custom code, this is one of the easiest ways to extend what your site can do. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like. Subscribe for more Squarespace tips and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.